So today I'm going to talk about the visual field of eye. So I made this in my home. I don't have pole. So this is the pole, so they represent the eye. So the eye is innervated by the optic nerve, the cranial nerve number 2. So this is the retina, the palm. So it looks like two sections, so the temporal on the nasal side. So the most confused is after chiasm. So it is pathway of the optic nerve can be changed. So that leads more confused at the brain level. So I'm going to use, to make this easy, two scenarios. So every scenario represents the single pathway, say one pathway. So this is the first pathway. So single pathway of the optic nerve. So we know the optic nerve is going to be changed as a pathway. So it will look like there are two paths. So this is the scenario, the first scenario. So this is the right eye and this is the left eye. So innervated by the temporal outside, the path of the optic nerve that go to the same side, the right, that represent the lateral geniculate of the thalamus, the right side. The same thing for the left eye. So innervated by the temporal. The temporal is this reflect or responsible for the nasal visual field. Go to the same side, the lateral geniculate of the thalamus. So there is no chiasm. So when crossing, this is the second scenario. So this is the nasal side. So the left eye is going to be innervated by the nasal of the pathway of the optic nerve that go to the opposite of the side. Is going to be geniculate, lateral geniculate of the thalamus. So this is nasal side responsible for the temporal visual field. The same thing for the right eye. So it's going to be, this is the nasal pathway of the optic nerve that go to the left of the lateral geniculate of the thalamus. This is responsible for the visual field and the outside, the temporal side of the right angle.